All right, now this one's a little tricky because the solvent is ether and not water. Remember I said in the first video, one of the common problems is not being clear if you're trying to find a boiling point or a boiling point elevation or a freezing point or a freezing point depression. Okay? The other common mistake is to think that everything is in water and to not check all the information for the solvent that you're given. Okay? This is a boiling point elevation problem. So delta TB equals KB times M. Now I'm going to take this the other way this time. I'm going to solve for boiling point elevation first and do and kind of break it up as a last step. Okay, so delta TB. Now the KB for ether, I need to go to the master document and look up KB for ether, and now I'm in boiling point constant and not freezing point constant. So the boiling point constant for ether is 2.02 degrees Celsius per mole. Molal, sorry. 2.02 degrees Celsius per molal. Okay, and I've got 25 grams butoxyethanol, 2-butoxyethanol, so I'm just going to call this 2BE for butoxyethanol. And my solvent is 68.7 grams of ether. Okay, now I need a molality, so I need moles of solute over kilograms of solvent. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fix this top, grams BE to moles BE. Okay, and I'll use the molar mass calculator to get 118.17 grams BE over 1 mole BE. Okay, sorry, that's 2 BE, just to be consistent. And then the other thing that I need to do is I need to get my ether into kilograms. So grams ether to kilograms ether, and that's 10 to the third grams in 1 kilogram. Okay, and when I do my calculation here, I get 6.22 something degrees Celsius. Okay, now this is the boiling point elevation, but I'm looking for the actual boiling point. So I need to do the last step where I take the delta T and turn that into T solution minus T pure, and I know that that equals 6.22 blah 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 blah, whatever this is. Okay, so T solution equals 6.22 degrees Celsius plus T pure, which is 6.22 degrees Celsius plus the boiling point of ether, which is not 100 degrees. It is not 100 degrees. It is not water. Okay? Keep that in mind, please. Get these problems right. The boiling point for ether is 34.6 degrees Celsius. Okay? And when I do the math there, I get 40.8 degrees Celsius. Okay? Done.